Have you heard of a HaloMaker? Well, you're about to find out. This is a stock Harley-Davidson headlight on my Low Rider S, and we are going to replace it with the Black HaloMaker from HogWorkz. And we're also replacing the chrome trim with a black one. This is what you get in the box. Connectors. Instructions. Sticker. And the headlight itself. With some additional hardware. And this is what's inside the trim ring box. Sticker and the trim ring. Let's go ahead and install it. The first thing we'll need to do is remove the Memphis shade fairing to remove the stock headlight so we can take it apart and install the new one. So let's get to it. This shroud right here is for the Memphis shade fairing, so we have to take it off in order to access the headlight itself. This isn't scientific in any way, but what I'm doing here is checking to see where my headlight sits so I can somewhat align the new headlight to the way the old headlight is. But if you have the proper tools to set it up and align it, then I would definitely recommend going that route. So I can see from here where it's hitting, and so I'm gonna make sure to keep my bike in the same general area. So like that, I can line it up properly the next time around. All right, and so just to let you know, it's sitting right in the middle of where that tape is. All right, so this is what we're gonna do next. We're gonna transfer this housing here, this whole frame from this headlight onto the new one. And there you have it. That's the bracket, and we're going to transfer that over to this one. Just make sure you get the right side up, and that's going to be with these two little bits sitting higher. You don't want to have it like this. Don't forget your Loctite. Alright, once it's all transferred, this is what it should look like, and it's ready to be installed. So the install process should be the same. We're going to install our little washer down here under the headlight, pop this bolt through, and then lock it in with the nut. Alright, we're not going to tighten too tight because we want to adjust the headlight angle before we lock it in. Alright, so as we can see, it's sitting a little too high, so we're going to over adjust where we had the other one, which was right about there. That looks good to me. And now we lock it in, making sure it doesn't shift. And there we go. Alright, now we pop our shroud on. And our new ring, just like so. So the screw that came with the headlight ring didn't actually account for the fact that we're rocking a shroud from Memphis Shades. So I'm using the stock screw to lock it all in. Now we put the Memphis shade fairing on. And that's about it. That's how you install the HogWorkz HaloMaker headlight on the Low Rider S. Let's go ahead and do some B-roll and see how it looks all put together. In the next video, we're going to install some high performance engine guards. Stay tuned.